So this blueberry, planted here all on its own, and so you think about like how many blueberry seeds are getting dropped all along the earth by birds every single year, and yet this is the spot where they're growing, and so this is the spot where those seeds had the right conditions, where the roots had the right conditions. A lot of things have to go right in order to get a plant to grow and to flourish. So that's why I look to nature in my designs, so that I can not only mimic what makes a healthy plant, but I can also mimic what it looks and feels harmonious in the landscape.